Hi guys, let's continue with our C++ tutorial. So in today's video, we'll discuss about how to add two numbers in C++. So let's start. First writing the header file and then file name and then the namespace standard. Now main function, then return 0. So we have to add two numbers. So we'll initialize a variable as a equal to 2. Let's make a static one and then we'll see how to make it as a user defined. So int a equal to 2 and comma b equal to 3. And to store the value, to store the result, we are using another variable as c. So now performing the operation c equal to a plus b. So with the help of cout, we'll print the statement. We'll print the statement c as this. So now let's see. As you can see, we have added the two numbers, that is 2 plus 3 is 5. So this was the static one. So let's make it as user defined one. So initializing a variable as int a comma b and again c. So in order to perform input output operations, we have to use the cout and cin. So cout and then enter first number and then semicolon and then cin. So we have to pass the variable here a. So same for the second number. Second number and then cin. Now performing the operation c equals to a plus b and then printing the statement cout addition of numbers is /n, and use /n in order to print that statement in the second line, in the next line, and then can pass this as c. So one thing, please note that this is nothing but the uh, insertion operator. And this is nothing but the extraction operator. So let's see now. So it's asking the first number, so let's say it's 5. The second number is let's say again 3. So the addition of two numbers is 8. So this is nothing but the user defined one, as we are taking the input from the user and just printing the statement. So in this way we can perform the addition of two numbers in C++. So in the next video we'll discuss about what is class and objects, and how to create a class and how to create an object and how to access the class. So these all things we'll discuss in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.